Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. In 5 minutes or less, we'll go over today's trades highlights. And today is March 9th. And is it finally over yet? Looks like it is. The trend is upward. A very good day, a very green day for ARK as well. So we'll go into the details in a bit. Highlights are that they increased their position in skills, which was hit by short seller report. So showing confidence there or averaging down. I don't know. You tell me. And then more DraftKings added. And Nano Dimension finally, they are adding more position to Nano Dimension as well. We're seeing an uptick in not only shares but also stock price, and that's good news. On downside, they continue to sell PayPal, Amazon, Splunk, and Rockwell Automation. So that's the highlight, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show.
Welcome back, guys. In ARK Summary, we always take a look at high-level information. Keep an eye on market value of all the funds combined is at 46.9 billion, almost 47 billion. It's up almost 10% compared to yesterday. Hopefully, this is end of the downward trend, but we'll find out more, obviously, in coming days. ETFs, if you break it by ETF, the biggest bump is in ARK Innovation Fund by 12.1%, Genomics 7%, and Next Generation Web 8%. And all of them doing their bit to make the overall fund go up by 10%. In terms of number of companies, they have been adding and removing one here and there. Yesterday, DraftKings was added to a new ETF, which is Innovation ETF. It was already there in two other ETFs. Today, keeping the same count, 264 companies that they have diversified their funds in. This picture hasn't changed in a while. ARK Innovation continues to be the dominant. Almost 50% of the whole fund is ARK Innovation Fund, then followed by Genomics, which is where the next FANG is going to come out of, as Kathy Wood says. Then Next Generation Web, FinTech, Robotics, Print, and Israel. We all are waiting for the space ETF to be added, where I can, once it's added, we'll show that slice here. In ranking, Tesla continues to dominate, and there is an uptick today, guys. I think Tesla is the major contributor of making the overall fund go up today. Look at that spike in the end. As I hover over these bar charts, you will see share count and stock price, both the things on the side as a line chart trend. So they still added to their position. Looks like they added some shares to the position, and also the stock price went up. And I think that's the case for top 5 for sure. Yep, stock price going up. Stock price going up, stock price going up. So these 5 are the major contributors of making the overall fund go high up today. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys is our favorite stock. Many people are heavily invested in that, is Nano Dimensions. It's back, guys. It's back to rank 83, which is better than where it fell. It fell under 90 ranking in past. I think it has gone as high as rank 78 once, but it's back at least to 80s, 83. So that's a good news. Again, they bought another 100,000 shares of Nano Dimensions today. So and the stock price going up as well. We'll go into the details later. So that's high-level summary. Let's go to the biggest moves quickly, guys, today. So in biggest moves, guys, we don't have a lot of activity today, but in general, a lot of positive news. So let's take a look at it. We always take a look at it 2 ways. One is by percentage of shares, and second is by market value. Just because some companies have really high stock price, the small movement in the position can cause big swings. Hence, we look at it 2 ways. The threshold we have is 5%, and DraftKings has an up position, 35% extra shares added there, which is almost a 1 million shares. So as I hover over it, you will see 3 line charts pop up, which show the share count, stock price, and market value. So that's DraftKings, guys. This is great. 1 million extra shares added there. Skills, a company which was hit by short seller report. They bought the dip. Looks like market price slightly ticking upward towards the end, but there is a YouTuber called Dead Inside who is very bullish on this as well, and that guy has been right several times. So yep, this is a pretty good bet in my opinion only. Please do your due diligence. A1, so this is again a company that's merging with the 3D printing company Markforged, and the stock price is slightly up. They added a new position. They added extra shares to that as well. In terms of negative, Rockwell Automation, 72% of the position sold. I won't be surprised if they completely remove it as well. That's what they've been doing in past. If they reduce it by so much, that means they'll reduce it completely in upcoming future, is what I've seen. trends in the data basically. Now PayPal, Taiwan Semiconductor, Splunk, and Amazon, all four of them have been popping up in past days as well. They have been reducing positions slowly and investing in growth stocks. So that's the story there. I can hover over it and you can pause the video and check the trends if you want. So that's Agora. Let me scroll up a little bit so you get better view. Amazon, Splunk, Taiwan Semiconductors, just so that you can pause and take a look at the trends. PayPal. Yep, so that's it. Now, in terms of biggest moves by market value, there is nothing negative. I tried going as down as 15 million. That's when you see one negative, which is PayPal. But as such, all the companies showing very positive news today. Tesla making the biggest difference. All these 5 or 4 companies are their top companies and making the overall value go up by 10%. So that's great. Next, let's move over to new companies. There is no new company added today. And once we go to our spotlight, let's take a look at Nano Dimensions. I know that is everybody's favorite. Many people have a big position in that, and the good news today is that they increased their position by about $100,000 shares. So from 12.9 million to 13 million shares. But in past they have been reducing it too. So keep that in mind. The stock price ticking upwards to $9.50. Market value also going up, taking their rank up from 90s to 83. So that's great, guys. Now let's take a look at DraftKings also. Where did they add that 1 million? So we have seen that spike. We saw the spike yesterday, spike going even higher today. Let's break it by ETF. Yep, so the new position that was started yesterday, they added about 1 million share there. So more than doubled it. So 128.8% increase in shares over there. So that's great, guys. So that's DraftKings. Then we also look at, let's also take a look at Skills. In Skills, which was hit by a short seller research company, they have been buying in past. Let's take a look at the history of this. Maybe increase the days 30 and see what happens. Yep, Feb 6. They have been continuously buying more and more, and as the stock price continues to go down, they are buying even more. They're buying every dip, looks like. So that's why you see those spikes here, here, and here again. So they do have high confidence in this, and the YouTuber called Dead Inside has high confidence in this too. Please do your due diligence before investing in anything. The short seller report basically said that this company has the top games in this that top games offerings that this company has already plateaued in growth. There is hardly any growth in those top games, and hence they are shorting it. So that's that, guys. Thank you so much. This was your daily dose of ARK info, and I'll see you tomorrow.